This backpack is fantastic. I got it for my fourth grade daughter, and this will definitely work for middle school as well. It comes with this fuzzy keychain, and there is a clear hook on the side of the backpack to put it on, super soft. And then it has all these great pockets with these really easy zippers, lots of places to store whatever you want. And the material is a really nice water resistant material. It has a good thickness to it. It looks really good, and the stitching is great throughout as well. I love this front pocket that is see-through, so you can put cute little things in the front pocket. And then it has two large pockets. This pocket is great for books or paperwork, school folders. My daughter uses it for her homework. And then it has these two water bottle holders on each side that do have a good elastic, hold on nicely. The back is super soft and cushioned, and it definitely has a lot of adjustment, so you really can expand or shrink it down. As a fourth grader, this backpack is just slightly large for her, but it still looks good. And the big interior pocket, as you can see, has extra pockets too. It also comes with this great pencil case that's matching and adorable. Again, easy, clean zipper. And there's a lot of patterns to choose from if you don't want the strawberries. And the main reason I got this was for this lunchbox. It is a larger lunchbox that holds our extra large bento box that we got. And that's why I really wanted it. It's very easy to keep clean with this interior. It has an extra pocket inside and outside, and again, zips beautifully. Overall, a fantastic set. Everything's been thought out. Great details.